All right, we're at the boat launch. A customer of ours just bought a brand new tracker, aluminum boat. He's never used it. I offered to go for the first ride with him because even though it's brand new, there should be nothing wrong. He's not familiar with the boat. I'm not familiar with the boat. One thing about boats, every boat is different. And who knows, just because it's brand new doesn't mean everything is going to go well. And he also has a place in Maine. He's going to go far away from us. So we're trying to do, like where they say, a shakedown cruise. So this is the shakedown cruise for this tracker. First thing we're gonna look at things like, how's the winch work? Winches have got different designs. Does it work like all the winches I'm working on? Yep, you go like that, that releases. That's good. We make sure where the safety is. The safety is a little different. It's a strap, not a chain, but that's okay. Nice and easy to unhook. I kind of like that. We look back here. We make sure, of course, all the plugs are in, and they seem to be. Put the plug in. It's got one main plug, and obviously for a bait well. We also check out stuff like the pitch of the prop. Now, from my experience, this is too low a pitch of prop for a 90 horsepower motor on a boat this size. It should be a higher pitch prop. But as I say, I always work on 4 strokes, so I mean 2 strokes. So this might be right for this prop. So we're going to make note of the RPM, wide open RPM when we're out there. And then we compare that to the literature in the motor and make sure that's correct, because that's how you determine if the prop is the right prop for the motor and the boat, the max RPM. So a lot of times it's written on the motor, it is not on this one, but we'll easily look that up. We'll go for a little ride. You can go up the Maine with confidence. And away we go. Voyage or shakedown cruise. We did some stuff with make sure the max RPM was correct. The motor's still in break-in, so we did it very short, maybe 30 seconds. We also did simple stuff like making sure it steers the same amount to port as it does starboard. Believe it or not, there's a link arm back there. That can be put on correctly, and you'll get more steerage to starboard than port. It's installed perfectly. All the gauges work perfectly. Bilge pump works. It's the kind of stuff you need to check out. And not only do we need to check out things, we need to learn how to use this boat, because every boat's so different. So, but not as successful as the shakedown cruise could be, so that's great. So, time to enjoy the summer in this boat.